if it's black and you can't see anything, but thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to say this video is inspired by Ketchup Yiri. The idea was totally from her. I really love that video, so I decided to make one of my own. Please don't hate saying that I'm copying her, because I did give credit to her. And if nobody likes it, then I'll probably take it down. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching again. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!